Hey guys, good morning. So yesterday I made a short video about this that I'm buying the dip. So this is what I'm working with right now, and I told you that I'm buying the dip because the dip yesterday I made a short video about this, but the dip that I put on yesterday, do you see here? It says dip number 4 because every pyramid in when you pyramid in meaning that you add to the position. So this is the dip number 4, which you can change in the settings. That makes you, so this is dip number 1. There are different dips in this model. So the dip number 4 was the one that we took out. See, we have dip 2, dip 1, dip 5, dip buy, and dip number 4 just I can't find it in here. But it created a new dip, and I realized why I couldn't find it because the stop loss was not accurate. There's a video from yesterday from TikTok. The stop loss was not accurate, and it just told me to dip by 4. So what did I wake up in the morning now, and it took up the stop losses of the positions I bought right here. No, not right here, because the stop loss of this is right here, right here, right here, and the let me see. Stop losses right here, and right here. It took out 3 stop losses. See, break even on these, 5% minus and 7% minus on these, which is fine. Why? Because look at the profits on these. The profits on this model eats up the losses. And this is why transparency is so important, because people, when they buy this, what do? They think directly they're going to be making money, but their first trade, so people who just bought it, people who just bought the this program right here, this might have been their first trade and they lost. That's why risk management is so important. So if you have 10K putting in this, like you should have risked $1,500 on this, which is fine. So this is what it's telling me today. It's telling me to buy the dip, and this is what it should have been created yesterday, which it didn't. So we're gonna check that out, and we're gonna fix that hopefully. So you take your, I'm gonna take a trade right here, put my stop loss all the way down here, and I'm gonna buy the dip. So it's not recommended for you to buy the dip. You can change that in the settings right here. You can go down to the settings, and you can see the dip buy. So if you watch the metrics 54%, some of the symbols don't like to buy the dip. So you enable the dip, profits go down, some of the profits go up. All right. So this is the entry I'm going to take, and this is what I'm using right now. I buy the dip. It sent me an email that I should buy the dip, and this is what I'm doing. All right. Have a good one.